Hi, Mogens Petersen here. This video is recorded on the 20th of January 2015. There's a huge event coming up, probably the biggest event in the world, and that will be on February 4th. I may be exaggerating a little bit, but it is our Client Appreciation Seminar. And it's from 6 to 8. It will be at Mimi's Cafe in Rancho Cucamonga. I think it's 10909 Rancho Cucamonga Foothill, close to Haven. We had one back in October. We had about 40 people. It was a major success. They'll be entertaining. My wife is a singer, so she will sing all the songs from yesteryears. There will be door prizes. It will be fun. It will be festive. It will be casual. But we're also going to talk about advanced finance strategies. Like for example right here, if you had invested in the stock market in 15 years ago, $100,000 would have lost 50% here, gained 100% here, lost 50% in here, and gained 200% here. Your 100,000 would have been about 120,000. In one of the concepts we deal with, that 100,000 would be worth over 400,000 because you would have eliminated the losses here, you would have eliminated the losses here, and you would have probably received maybe 70% of the gain. So eliminating the risk and tripling the benefits, that's got to be appealing. You might see a flyer like this here. I will have it in the attachment. Give us a call or send us an email back. Please RSVP as soon as possible. We need to let them know by early February. If you bring a friend, if you bring an associate or family member, there's another free gift for you. So please RSVP. The seminar is on the 4th of February, Mimi's Cafe from 6 to 8. You'll have a blast. See you there. Bye-bye.